Alright guys, so today's the day. I'm going to pick up the outboard right now. We're going to, my job actually has a forklift, so I got it delivered there and they're gonna put it on my truck, so let's go. Alright, we just got the outboard in. I got it home. It wasn't that bad. I was actually able to tip it out of my truck. So we're gonna go on with unboxing. I have to cut these straps here, so. Try not to break the box. No promises. By the way, guys, bought this on Online Outboards. If you guys are in the market, they only sell up to 30 horse, so I got the biggest I could. First opening this up, looks like we got our fuel line. We got our fuel line for the gas tank. We got bolts and nuts. It looks like a toolkit and the owner's manual. Oh, sweet. It brings the control arm for the steering. This is the wiring harness to the remote control. So this is a Suzuki 30 horsepower. It has remote control, as power, tilt, and trim. They sure did a good job at packaging it. Dude, this thing's a lot bigger in person. So the cool thing is this thing brings a gas tank, 6.5 or 6.6 gallons. That's pretty cool. And there it is. All in its glory. Oh, probably didn't have to do that. I could have the whole thing. Holy, that thing is big in person. Jeez and crow. Look at how big that prop is. I think this will be more than enough to move the boat. Thing looks sick. So guys, y'all just missed the whole thing because it was a hassle, but we slid it over here. We got it upright, and then I was able to lift it on there, and I got the cover off, and this is what it looks like on the inside. You can look at it. It's like packaging and stuff. Thing's a beast. It looks a lot bigger in person. All right, guys. So here's everything else in the box. We have a fuel line. It comes with a gas tank. It has a pretty cool gauge on it too, which I like that. It comes with the side mount control with the required throttle cable linkage. Right here we have a harness. It's really long. It's nice. Should be plenty long for my boat. And then it comes with the steering arm that connects to your steering cable, and then mounting bolts. I believe these are galvanized. No, I don't know what they are, but they're like rust-proof bolts. And you got, it brings a toolkit and then the owner's manual, and that's everything so far. You'll see on my next video, I'm gonna install everything and do my first startup following that video. So far everything looks great. I'm happy with Online Outboards. It came in 4 days, which is awesome. In this time of coronavirus, they're getting all the shipments out, which is great. But would I recommend it so far? Yes. We'll see how it goes when I go to start it and everything else. All right, guys, thanks for watching.